Uteti wa gitaru kia Mount Kenya no uthiete na mbere na kwiyarira guku mutongoria wa kiama gia TSP Mwangi Kiunjuri akiuha muingi kuma gicigo-ini giki gwikia gabiro ahuraniria giturwa kia president mbere ya gutua cira uria makanyita mbaru. Akiaria hindi igongona ria mathiko mwena wa mukuru-ini kaunti-ini ya Nyeri, Kiunjuri igite ni hari bata muingi guthuthuria wega mutongoria uria mangihokera mabataro mao na makiria uhoro ukoni urimi ariguo munyiginyigi wa gicigo gia gatagati wa bururi.
Tondu uiganani wa bunge nduri hori na nyumba ya mumbi Gikuyu Embu na Meru tukorwo tuhinyiriirio ri hari mundu raumira gakuga ati ni agatunengera ite citure ciagirire uhoro wa ngirigaca nduguo tugacagiriria muno makiria ri he mundu ratwira ngirigaca itu ria guthii na mbere kana no gutirira mbeca nyingi muno iria kana yana ngirigaca-ini uria gekuga ni agatwe mbeca cia muhuko no matiratwira atiriri mbeca ici gathii kugayo no na ni amakagaya.
Oho no athiete na mbere na kuria atongoria othe kuhe ciama ciothe gitio guku akiuga watho wa ciama cia kiuteti uria uri bunge-ini ya Senate niguo ukaheana mwerekero wa githurano kinene.
No ratwiraga muno makiria ati arikia kututhurwo president wa Kenya mibango na uhuru wa Kenyatta miakorera thi na mbere mabarabara maitu mai na kuria kungi ndagukarugamie ambia cirongorerie mwena ungi ciuri ici ni cia bata muno makiria na no nginya tuyuka guthura mwenyewe tumenye kana uratwira maundu maria mangitunyita ngoro-ini citu.
Ihinda-ini riu Kiunjuri ni uritie muingi na makiria mbeu njithi makeyumiria kwiyandikithia ta aikia kura akiuga kura nio mwihoko wa muturire wao.
Kwamurania iria tukuria na iria tugute mutongoria mwega na mutongoria muru mamuragwo ni kura na ikorwo ni rathi na mbere na kurira ati utongoria ti mwega thiini wa bururi no ta kurira ngima ina mutuna no yo rugire.
Kungi na kuo muteti Jimmy Kibaki ni uritie mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta kwiyumiria na kuhe a Kenya mwerekera wigie githurano kinene kia mweri wa kanana mwaka uyu.
A time of uncertainty for the head of the family to make his or her position known. We are not asking the president to come out and campaign for any individual. I don't think I don't know whether he would want to do that. But he can tell us as a community and then obviously therefore as a country what he envisions for the future.
Jimmy Kibaki uria niwe munini wa mutongoria wa kiama gia TND yoigite kiama kiu ni gikugia na ngwataniro na ciama ingi iria cire na meciria maratwarana na kiama kiu.
Politics is not romance. It is not romance. When we are electing somebody to be the president of the Republic of Kenya, we want to elect the person we feel is the most capable person of leading this country in those areas that we talked about: peace, democracy, prosperity.
Ihinda-ini riu Jimmy ni ugite kiama gia TND ni gikarugamia ahuraniria a iturwa ikiro-ini ciothe otika kia mutongoria wa bururi akiuria muingi ugathura atongoria mari na uigirereki.
We are going to be talking to the other political parties to see what kind of coalitions we can form. After we form our coalitions, we are going to see if now we can go to the big boys and see whether we can join with them, because you know in Kenya is run by big boys.
Oho Jimmy Kibaki ni anireire ati ithurano cia wamurani cia kiama giki ni igakorwo na uma na waragania. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma itura-ini ria Karundu gicigo-ini kia ubunge kia mukuru-ini kaunti-ini ya Nyeri, njitagwo Gicuki wa Ng'ang'a.